Hi everybody, it's Miss Susan again, of course with the Helena School District After School Program here in Helena, Montana. And this is the second session of my video about watersheds and how they work. So if you didn't see the first one, the children of the Helena School Age Child Care Program built this watershed with grant money that we received from the Soil and Water Conservation Districts of Montana, and that filters down from the federal government. This would be the second of these grants that we got, and 5 years back we built an original watershed, which is still in use to teach children about the watersheds and spring runoff and aquifers and groundwater. So this time I'm going to flood our little valley here with heavy spring runoff and a lot of rain, and so you'll see what happens then. The homes that are on the low-lying areas of the valley are going to be flooded, including some of our urban areas here in the city. So this one will show you exactly how that happens, and then the next session will be on non-source point pollution. So I'm going to get the watershed going. It's just an reservoir underneath in this plastic underbed storage container. And then, of course, we have drain holes along the way so that we can drain it out back into the reservoir so it doesn't spill over off the sides. Also, this will show us how the water flows out of the mountains, and so we have a very small water feature pump under, and so I'm going to turn it on now and get the water going and show you what happens to our little area when it's a heavy spring runoff and a heavy snow melt. Here we go. Now this is a heavy rain, heavy spring runoff, and as you can see now, the whole valley is getting flooded because a lot of our homes in our valley are built in the flood plain along 10 Mile and Prickly Pear Creeks. So everything now is flooding, and that's exactly what we don't want to happen during spring runoff. Okay. So in the next short session, I'm going to show you about non-source point pollution. And so I'll be back in approximately an hour or more after I take a little break. Thank you very much.